Many individuals are concerned that the mental health crisis is going to be the next pandemic that we are going to face. With this stark reality in mind, I think it's so important for businesses to pay close attention to mental health in the workplace. Now, some of you might ask, why should employers care about mental health? Is this not something that should be dealt with behind closed doors in a personal capacity? For me, the facts speak for themselves. Approximately 1 person successfully commits suicide every hour of every day in South Africa alone, and over 25% of our working population have been diagnosed with depression. These figures are also increasing exponentially as the effects of COVID-19 are felt. Our law requires employers to deal with mental illness appropriately. For example, the Occupational Health and Safety Act imposes a legislative duty on employers to take reasonable care to protect the health and safety of their employees, and this extends to the mental and emotional well-being of employees. The Employment Equity Act also requires employers to avoid discriminating against individuals who are suffering from mental challenges. And our Labour Appeal Court has further confirmed that mental illness must be looked at as a form of ill health. Our law therefore requires employers to support employees who are suffering from mental illness. Of course, this doesn't mean that employers are required to go to the ends of the earth to accommodate individuals who are suffering from mental illness, but I definitely think that it requires more than what employers are actually aware of right now. When employees feel safe and supported in their working environment, issues are addressed timelessly rather than being swept under the carpet until they explode. When this happens, there is a direct impact on employee productivity and presence, which affects business continuity. Studies have found that depression has cost South Africa over hundreds of billions of rands every year due to lost productivity. Employers therefore have as much of an invested interest on their employees' mental health as their employees do.